In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Apple Calendar. If you're a Trello user looking to streamline your schedule by integrating your boards with your Apple Calendar, you're in the right place. This process will help you have a clear overview of your tasks and deadlines all in one place, making it easier for you to manage your time effectively. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to locate the rocket ship icon. You'll find this conveniently placed at the top right of your Trello board. Go ahead and click on it. What this does is open up the Power-Ups menu, a handy tool that allows you to enhance the functionality of Trello through various integrations and features. Now that you have the Power-Ups menu open, your next step is to click on Add Power-Ups. Power-Ups in Trello work like plugins and are developed by both Trello and third-party developers. They enable you to expand the capabilities of your boards, enabling seamless communication and productive collaboration. Once you click into the Power-Ups, you'll want to use the search bar and type in Calendar Power-Up by Trello. This specific power-up is perfect for what we're aiming to accomplish, which is linking our Trello with the Apple Calendar. After you find it, hit that Add button you see next to the power-up. Adding the Calendar Power-Up might not look like much on screen, but once you select it, a handy Settings button replaces the Add button we just clicked on. Click on this Settings button to continue. Now you'll find yourself facing a new option. Click on Edit Power-Up Settings. This is where the magic happens, as it opens up what Trello calls your iCalendar feed URL. This URL is essentially your bridge between Trello and Apple Calendar. It's like the key that unlocks the synchronization magic, allowing your tasks to flow seamlessly from Trello into your calendar. So go ahead and copy that iCalendar feed URL. With this link, you can go into your Apple Calendar and use it to create a new calendar subscription. This step is crucial, as it ensures that all relevant Trello updates sync automatically with your Apple Calendar. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully integrated your Trello board with Apple Calendar, and now you can enjoy a more organized and synchronized workflow. Remember, with your tasks now visible in Apple Calendar, you have one less thing to worry about and more time to focus on getting things done. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in making your daily life just a bit more manageable. Enjoy the convenience of having everything you need in one place, and have a productive day ahead.